wondering how you can do your nails with acrylic, okay? Well, I'm here. I'm going to do a tutorial. This will be a beginner friendly tutorial, so I'll get started on it. I would not be doing a lot of talking during the video, but I'm going to go ahead and set up. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video to any of your friends who would like to see it. Okay, you guys? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and dive in. I'm going to go ahead and set up now, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I just wanted to kind of give you guys a heads up. I know I said I was going to talk too long, so basically I just wanted to name a few things that I did end up using. I did start it off putting the nail tips on the nail, the practice nail, but then I realized that it wasn't sticking like I really wanted it to, and yeah, I kind of got impatient a little bit, so I just decided I wanted to go ahead and get the sculpture nail stickies, their stickers, basically to create the nail. Excuse me, you guys, tongue twisted. So basically, you're going to see me take that out after trying a few times to glue the nail down, and I decided to just go ahead and get that out. Also, I did use alcohol, and that was actually 70%. I used that to remove the sticky residue from the nail, and that's from the sticky part that comes from the top coat that I actually use on the nail after I put it in the UV light. Also, quick tip too, when you're doing anything dealing with the practice nail, fingernail, or mannequin hand, just want to let you guys know you don't have to use a primer, and you don't have to use a dehydrator, because of course it's just a practice hand and mannequin hand. It will stick, of course, but I got impatient, so I said, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and create my own nail. So as you can see, I am creating the nail, and so basically I used everything that I had, but I just added extra stuff. So just the extra stuff that I had really is the cotton ball, the alcohol solution that I actually used, and I did use the dust the dust brush to dust off all of the dust that was around the nail itself. So you guys, I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and finish seeing the video, you guys, and if there's anything else that I actually see or haven't mentioned now, I definitely will link it below. Check the description, and you will see it in the description. I try to give you guys all of the information that I have within the description, and also within the video itself, you guys. Okay, enjoy, you guys.